If you're looking for a great and easy way to go ahead and sight your rifle or gun or even a shotgun, this bore sight kit by CV Life is going to be a great option for you. As you can see right here, it comes in this nice kit that you can go ahead and open up, keep everything protected in there. Nice foam padding in here. This is the actual bore sighter itself. Very easy to operate. It just has the one button right here to go ahead and turn it on. Nice bright green laser that you'll be able to see, quite nice. And in order to install the batteries, all you have to do is go ahead and unscrew this portion right here. It comes with two batteries that are included in the pack, as you can see right here. Put it in, screw it back on, and you are off to the races and ready to go. So it includes 32 different calibers for the bore sighter to go ahead and fit nice and snug into the actual barrel of your firearm. Has a little screwdriver to make adjustments to the screw whenever you put the actual correct um, adapter right here on the back. As you can see right here, you can make adjustments with the screwdriver if you need to. Now, with this one, it's not only going to allow you to, quickly and easily sight your scope or red dot, but it's also going to save you a lot of, money and time on ammo. So, you can make the adjustments with the initial adjustments with the bore sighter and then, fine tune it at the range, but with a fraction of the cost as far as the ammo goes. You do have, another adapter right here for a shotgun as well, so that it's gonna keep it nice and steady and straight whenever you decide to go ahead and use it for a shotgun as well. So yeah, very nice packaging and very nice bore sight kit right here for all of your needs. Like I said, it could be a rifle, it could be a handgun, or even a shotgun. This is going to be a great option for you.